GoCharting honest review, and real user experience. Best iTrading bot chart tool. iTrading tools promise smarter market analysis, and GoCharting claims to deliver advanced charting and trading bots. I tested it, and here's my honest experience. Most people assume iTrading is complicated or expensive. The surprising truth is GoCharting combines intuitive charting with eye-driven signals, making it accessible for both beginners and advanced traders. Setup was quick. I connected an exchange, configured my preferred indicators, and started tracking markets. The iBots analyze price patterns, provide buy-sell signals, and even simulate strategies before real trades. Charts are customizable, with multiple timeframes, indicators, and drawing tools. Alerts and notifications keep you updated on market movements, and the dashboard provides a clear overview of your portfolio and bot performance. Pricing is reasonable considering the features. Free accounts offer basic charts and alerts, while premium plans unlock advanced bots and analytics. Customer support is responsive and helpful for troubleshooting. The only downside is that iTrading isn't foolproof. Signals should supplement research, not replace it entirely. Users still need risk management and strategy planning. In conclusion, GoCharting is a robust AI-powered trading platform with powerful charting and bot features. For traders looking to combine automation with smart analysis, it's definitely worth exploring.